जब से ये लॉकडाउन हुआ है ऑलमोस्ट इट्स बीन नाउ 3.5 months। जब से मैं लॉकडाउन हुआ है तब से बहुत सारे लोगों से मेरा बात हो रहा है और जिससे भी बात करो दे आर अंडर लॉट ऑफ ट्रेमेंडस स्ट्रेस and depression. You know what is the depression, what is the anxiety, what is the stress they have? They are worried whether they will have a job or not. They are worried whether they will get a salary, and for most of them most of them already lost a job. And बहुत सारे लोग उनके सैलरी जो है आधा हो गया है, 75% या 70% सैलरी आ रहा है एंड दे आर नॉट श्योर वेदर गोइंग टू गेट दैट व्हाटएवर सैलरी इन द फ्यूचर और नॉट. दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस दे आर इन. And even speaking to businessmen, they are also under a lot of stress. In fact, they are more stressful than the salaried people, because salaried people at least they are getting some inflow coming in. But for businessmen, they have only outflows and hardly any inflow coming in. So everywhere there's a lot of stress. There's a lot of depression, and that is the reason I have decided to do a webinar where I am going to discuss, where I am going to give a step-by-step process, where I am going to give a blueprint. Even though this is a pandemic situation, even though this is a crisis situation, there is economic depression, there is economic slowdown, everything is happening. Still, if you believe in yourself, if you believe that you are the person who can redesign your life, if you believe that you are the person when in spite of all this problem you can create the life that you want to live, if you want to have the control of your life in your hand instead of giving it to the situation, instead of the circumstances, then this webinar that I'm going to do is going to help you a lot. You are going to redesign, you can redesign your life, you can create the life that you want to live in the future in spite of all this pandemic situation, in spite of all this crisis situation. So if you are interested, click below and register for this webinar. And in this webinar, I'll give you a step-by-step process, I'll give you step-by-step blueprint, clarity on how you can create that life you always wanted to live, and how you can earn the income that you always wanted to earn, and how you can come out of this pandemic and crisis situation instead of like a victim, then how you can become a victor out of this situation. So, are you interested to become victor out of this corona situation instead of living like a victim situation? If you are interested, then don't miss this opportunity. Click below and register for the webinar. If you are coming for the webinar, then I will see you live in the webinar, and we all will learn together, and we will overcome this pandemic situation, and we'll fight this pandemic situation, and we'll grow in life like you always wanted to grow. Okay, so bye bye, see you, take care, all the best, and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye, take care.